Once upon a time, in a world just beyond the tallest mountains, there was a very special place called the Magical Cloud Factory. This wasn't an ordinary factory. It was where all the clouds in the sky were made. The factory was run by a clever girl named Lila. She had sparkling eyes full of curiosity and a heart as big as the sky itself. Every morning, Lila would wake up early and climb the spiral staircase to the top of the factory, where giant machines hummed and buzzed. Lila's job was to create clouds for different purposes. Some clouds were soft and fluffy, perfect for kids to imagine jumping on. Others were thick and heavy, bringing rain to thirsty plants. And the most magical clouds could even change colors and shapes, painting the sky like a giant canvas. One day, as Lila was mixing rainbow mist and sunshine sparkles, she noticed something unusual. A tiny cloud no bigger than her hand was floating aimlessly outside the factory window. It looked sad and lost. "Hello, little cloud," Lila said gently. "Why do you look so lonely?" The cloud wobbled and whispered, "I don't know what I'm meant to do. I'm too small to bring rain or shade, and I can't change colors like the magical ones." Lila smiled warmly. "Sometimes it's not about how big or powerful you are. It's about finding your special purpose." She invited the little cloud inside and gave it a gentle swirl of stardust. Suddenly, the tiny cloud glowed softly with a golden light. "You are a dream cloud," Lila explained. "You don't bring rain or shade. Instead, you carry dreams to children while they sleep." The little cloud's sadness disappeared, replaced by a bright glow of pride. From that day on, the dream cloud floated over every village and city, delivering beautiful dreams filled with hope, courage, and joy. Children woke up smiling, ready to face their day with new energy and ideas. Lila watched happily from the factory, knowing that even the smallest clouds had a big role in the world. And so, the Magical Cloud Factory continued to create clouds of all kinds, but none as special as the dream clouds, the tiniest clouds with the biggest hearts.